Hey guys, we are back, and today I'll be unboxing and giving my initial review for the KARENOW Sonic Electric Toothbrush. This came out last month and it is priced at $39.99. So this is kind of like the higher end of an Sonic toothbrush that is available right now in Amazon. Okay, so go see if this is worth $39.99. So it arrives like this. There is no plastic cover other than this one here. There's a tape. And then we're gonna go see, it's very lightweight. Now let's see, it comes with, so this is the T2411 version. So hopefully that means it's a good one. This is a brand new one since it came out last month, March 5th to be exact. Okay, so there is this KARENOW support card if you have any issue. Very lightweight, as you guys can see. I honestly feel like this is cheap feeling for me, like plasticky. I guess, what do you expect? And then we're gonna go see, it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4. It comes with an 8 toothbrush heads, which is good. So if you have to change a toothbrush every 3 months, you got almost like 2 years. And then it comes with a cord, and yay, it uses a USB-C, so that is a good thing. Let's see which part it uses that. See it in the bottom? Anywhere? Maybe here, there is this, like this dent over here. Maybe that's that. Yep, it sure is. So there is a seal in here. So that should be like waterproof, I hope. So it's pretty easy. Just plug it in and charge it. It's supposed to last for 60 days per charge. So that is the good thing. I think this is now the thing in electric toothbrush that you will find in Amazon or other store. They last at least 60 days. Some others I found, I think the longest was 120 days. So that is very impressive. And so now let's go see. It says there that it is supposed to be for the soft. So if you have a sensitive teeth, it's pretty soft bristle. They are all the same. So there we go. Try it. Snaps really easy. Remove easy. Okay, and there is a 4 setting: clean, soft, whiten, and then massage. And now let's go try to turn it on. So this is the massage feature. You guys can hear the sound. And then turns off when you press it again. Okay, there we go. To change it, you have to turn it off and then change it to another setting. And this one is clean. You can really feel the vibration on this part here. So that's pretty strong. Impressive. Okay, now let's go see the soft part. So it turns off every time you try to change the setting. There we go. And now it's soft. Maybe double? Nope. Still. That's the soft. Bit loud for me. And then the whiten have the higher pitch sound, as you guys can hear. Okay, let me try just on the skin, just so I can have the feeling. So there's the pause. I guess every 30 seconds there is a pause. So, okay, now let's go try to see. There's the massage. I hate that it has to stop every time I have to change the mode. Okay, this is the clean. It's kind of like the finer vibration on it, or the sonic feature. Now let's go try and see the soft. Hardly nothing in there, so I guess that's the reason why it's considered soft. But the noise is driving me crazy. A bit annoying sound. If you're sensitive, you have sensitivity on on noises, white noise or whatever you call it. I don't like the sound. A bit too loud than what I can feel on my skin, that's for sure. But that is a good thing if you have a very sensitive teeth or gums, then that is a good thing regarding the soft feature, as you guys can see. There you go, soft. Now the whiten is very soft as well, hardly nothing. So the only thing that I feel was the massage and the clean. So this is mostly advisable for those who have a sensitive skin, not sensitive skin, teeth and gums, then you guys are gonna appreciate it. I love the simple design. This is easy to hold, but if you have a lotion in the hand, it might be a little bit slippery. It's supposed to be a waterproof, so that's a good thing. The bristles are nice. It's better than the one that I have seen in the market that I have tested, so that is a good thing. I think the dented, see the curve in here? There's the curve in there. I think it's mostly for the teeth, so it kind of like really contours to your teeth. For $39.99, and then they got these 8 toothbrush head. I think that's pretty good buy, and then it uses the USB-C. Based on the sonic feeling, it seems to be pretty good, but I'm not sure about it on my teeth. So maybe I should try, huh? And then you guys can hear it. So this is the KARENOW. That's pretty good. Okay, so that's the massage. Now clean. Okay, that was pretty good. I like the massage and the clean, and now let's try the soft. The bristles are super duper soft. Not the kind that I wanted, but again, if you have a sensitive teeth and gums, you're gonna appreciate it. But the vibration is crazy good. Okay, sonic wise is pretty intense. That's amazing. I am surprised how good this thing is. Okay, do I think it's worth $39.99? I think so. So, and based on how my teeth feels right now, if you have a sensitive teeth and you don't like that kind of like sonic movement, that's the bad thing. Because now I feel like my teeth is grinding kind of feeling. So I'm not sure if you guys have that feeling. If you've never used an electric toothbrush and have a sensitivity of that kind of stuff, you might not like this because it's a very strong sonic power on this one here. So if you appreciate that kind of thing, then you're gonna like it. So for now, based on what I need, it's not for me, but for those who need this kind of toothbrush, you guys are gonna like it. And with that said, thank you guys for watching. Again, this is a KARENOW $39.99, and it is a brand new sonic power electric toothbrush out in the market since it came out last March. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to give me a like if this helped you, and hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And with that said, I hope you guys have a wonderful one, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.